you may notice that this is not the BMW. So I know we got the BMW running the other day. We are now in David's Skyline. And I have a small story for you guys.
Because the BMW decided to be a BMW. It said, bring more wrenches.
Yeah.
That's what it said.
It said bring more wrenches.
Because after 2 days of fucking amazing running, poof! Oil filter housing explodes, most likely.
Or the
gasket,
Vanos line.
The Vanos line or the oil filter housing gasket probably just fucking shut the shit. Just went to shit. Because massive, all of a sudden leak of oil can only come from the oil filter housing gasket that was already leaking, which means it probably blew the fuck out.
Well, see, my guess is that oh, don't hit that bus. My guess is that because, you know, with the pretty much freshly rebuilt, that now that the car has potential again, there's more, you know, pressure going through the motor. There's no leaks, so like,
and all the gasket,
old stuff has to escape from somewhere if it was already cracking, you know. So
yep, I mean, it fucking took a shit because it took a shit because BMW. What the fuck, Skyline? There we go.
Yeah.
But yeah, it took a shit.
Yep.
We're gonna go to 7-Eleven, get cold drinks. I'm gonna grab cigarettes because I'm gonna hate my life working on a Beamer again.
Yeah, me too.
Yay! Although we're in a hybrid Skyline.
Yeah.
Look at that. Hybrid mode.
Because it doesn't work. Alright, so before we get started, let me show you guys. This is the Vanos oil line. This one does not move at all. The one that was on my car is this one, and you can see, it's in focus, I don't know, maybe, but you can see that it is moving. And these are clamps, and these clamps aren't supposed to like have any sort of, you know, play in them. So thought process number one, let me wipe my hands off the oil first. The oil line for it, the pressure, you know, shot it out. Sprayed oil all over my engine. Let me turn the light on here and see if it's kind of looks like it on camera. Oh yeah, you can see all the oil that it like sprayed all over my car. I got home and my oil light came on. I was like, oh, that's weird. Pulled it over immediately on the side of the road, on the side of the freeway. Called David. He came by. We were looking at the side of the road. Got it towed back here. And anyways, yeah. So I'm trying to be as informative as I can about this, because in case, you know, you guys ever have an E36 with issues, hopefully this helps. But yeah, there's a gasket for the oil housing. David says they are very, very common to fail. So that's also another issue, which I'm trying to look to see how we're going to get it off. Might have to drain all the fluids and shit again. But yeah. So I'm going to put the camera down, start getting to work right now. First thing you want to do, there's the tensioner pulley down in here. You can kind of see my middle finger flipping you off. That is an Allen, 8mm Allen. You just press down the belt to the alternator, just pops right off. You'll need to work with both hands, hold it down, use your other hand to pull it off. I got my finger stuck, so that's going to happen. And then remove the alternator, get to the bolts, the housing, the oil filter, and yeah, it's pretty much simple. I have my camera down, so I wanted to show you guys this real quick. So just start with the tensioner, 8mm Allen, then the bolts for the alternator, which are 17 mils. And yeah, all right, this is gonna be the most cut and dry video, but the housing is 6 bolts. They're right here. I'll show you guys after we get the car back down how they go in, but this is like the top side, middle, and then the bottom bolts. So they're organized in that order. We have to take the power steering off, and I'm an idiot and I fucked up power steering, so yeah, we're gonna fix that too, or I'm gonna fix it.
You did that.
Yeah,
instead of one on the bottom, one on the top.
Yeah, I put 2 washers on one side instead of having one on the
inside too.
Yeah. Oh well. I was tired, okay? I'm an idiot. Oh, let that drain. We're gonna get the power steering off, and then the gasket for the housing is non-existent.
Yeah. She's not actually part of the housing anymore. She's part of the block.
Yeah. So, hoping that was the issue why I lost all my oil. All right. So here's the housing. This will be kind of hard to see, but oh, there we go. Thank you, David. The bolts that I was telling you about are there. 2 down there and 2 down there. Old, new. It's not supposed to be hard and snapping in multiple pieces really easily. Supposed to be, let me focus, bendy and, you know, not snap. Yeah, gaskety, not hard plastic. So yeah, that gasket's toast. All right, let's put this bitch back in.
I don't see no silver on the dipstick, so.
It hasn't rained yet.
Ain't nothing floating around in the fucking engine bay yet, so.
Well, that's good news-ish, hopefully.
Disconnect your coil packs and crank her the fuck over for like a good 30 seconds.
Okay. Should we just pull the fuse for the coil packs, or?
Full fuel pump fuse.
That way, yeah, that way I don't have to take all the coil packs out. All right.
So basically you crank it over for 5 seconds, let it rest for 5 seconds. Crank it over for 5 seconds, let it rest for 5 seconds.
Got it.
Alright, let's start it.
All right.
Quick start there. Crank it. Well, it's gonna start at this point, so.
All right, starting her up. Now. All right. No oil light yet. I'm not.
Motoring dead. There's no weird knocks and noises.
Cool.
Yeah.
Shut up, Tim. Let me know.
Kill it.
What's leaking?
The oil filter housing cap.
Is it?
Yeah, this guy.
It's got a crush washer. It's gonna go right there. Or it's probably got an O-ring or something.
Maybe that's why we can't use that as a ground.
No, it's
Yeah.
not that. The fucking washer's not there or anything.
We replaced all that other shit.
I know, and well, it's a good thing we replaced all that
I
other
mean,
shit.
yes, they were an issue, but
I don't know.
the fucking culprit is dun 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 dun.
Currently, that's a culprit.
You know, it would make sense why all the oil was over here too. God damn it! Oh Jesus Christ!
It's crazy! It's crazy! Oh my god!
Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I was so scared last night. Anyways, yeah. Hope this guy helps you guys out too. Obviously, all that work was gonna need to be done anyways, but yeah, anyways, the culprit was completely something else. Welcome to mechanics. But anyways, I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Okay, bye.